Howdy doody, YouTube. Say hi, Mike. Say hi, Cam.
Hey.
So we're pulling apart the pilot pump on Goody Hoodie. It's leaking. So I got a seal kit for it, and I have to fix it. And I just took a digger off the slippery logs and ended up ass over band box down under there. Yeah. Pretty good, huh? Good move. As they say, smooth move, X-lax. So I got wood to cut up, lots of wood to cut up. So what we got going on? Cha. There's an O-ring and a little backup ring. Looks like a little quad ring or something. Alright, that one goes on the very outside. And there's a seal kit on this that seals this inside right here. It's a little ring. I guess it's an O-ring and a backup ring. Goes right cha. That's what I gotta put on. That's what's missing. There wasn't much left of it. Let's see. So, if I can get y'all to see. Okay. Where's that seal kit? Turn this way for a minute.
Very good, Jeff.
What?
16,700 XL2.
I don't need a dozer, buddy boy. You buy it and you can give it to me.
Yeah.
That's what you ought to do. If you love me, you would. Huh? What's that? I don't have money either. You go to the bank. No, I don't. Makes you... Huh? Yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm loaded alright. I'm full of it alright, but it ain't money. Alright, these are all pump seals. Look at this, I had to buy a whole pump seal kit. Wow. Alright, did they give me the part that I need here or what? Boy.
Dale, I was at Highway Equipment yesterday.
Yeah.
What's they're coming out with?
I don't know.
It's a extra dozer.
Oh yeah, they've been around a while.
Oh, have they? I think it was sweet.
Yeah.
It had like a big dozer for you on it.
Yeah, I know. They come out. Yeah, they come out with them a few years ago.
That'd be neat though.
Blade Runners.
Put the cotton head on that thing and then just load your rope.
Yeah, it would be kind of handy.
Me and Dad
I think you'd need a little more ground clearance. So.
Me and Dad were talking about it.
I'm thinking. All right, there's the O-ring for that. Now I need a backup ring for it. Uh-huh! I found it! I think. That dude's serious about lawn mowing, eh? Alright, so the O-ring should be again the oil, the backup ring to the back of the oil. But where's the oil coming from on this? I didn't get a chance to see where this come apart. I'm assuming the oil would be pressurized oil would be on this. I'm not sure about that. Because you want your O-ring to face the oil, the backup ring behind it. I'm assuming that's the one though. Well, that's got to be how that goes. I would think. Hope I do this right. Kind of only get one shot at this stuff. Guy gotta get his lawnmower. The monsoon coming later, they said. I hope I did that right. I probably didn't, but I think the oil that we're protecting it from is here, so that would mean oil backup. I think these are just drains, but I'm not sure. Well, Worst comes to worst, it won't work. Hey Cammy, grab my silicone off of the seat, will ya? No, actually it's in by that red toolbox in the driver's side. Okay, let's see. This one's got to be the one. Alright, there's that. And then the new oh-ho-ho-ho ring. Should be this. Should be it. Huh? I bought that to seal up my window. You got any in the other truck? It'll be okay. Alright, there's that. That can go back on my truck. That fucking box is big. Alright. My silicone done dried up. There it is. All this for a little old seal kit. I really shouldn't need this, but I'm just gonna put it on there. That O-ring should do what that should help. Alright, here's that. Now let me get the poop. I had that nice and dry, but boil over, so. Alright, boys and girls, here we go. Boy, this is gonna be fun. There it goes. I think I got it. So anyway, Cammy, I guess you can go run the other skidder too. I don't know. Huh? I'm gonna have to get down there and cut a little, but we got plenty. Well, I'd like to go over some things so you don't get in trouble. But, well, whatever. There's not much to go over, I guess. You just gotta be careful. Ah, all right. Huh? On this? No, that's probably why it's running, giving me issues. See if you can see where it's coming from.
Yeah, they couldn't really tell because it's everywhere.
Never mind, I think I know where it's coming from.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You sees it?
Well, it's kinda, it could be coming out of 1, 2, 3 different places.
Oh, that's good. That narrows it right down.
Yeah. And your manifold's cracked.
I saw that. Oh gee, here I go again. Oh, that's nice.
I got bit up by like 15 of the same bugs.
Here, come hold this for a minute. Right in here so you can see what we're doing. Those all need to be fetched up there for now. You know this little trick putting these in?
No.
Leave one side loose and slide the thing in. Alright? The flange.
I just leave 2 bolts in on the top side and then take the 2 bottom ones out, but loosen the top ones,
You can do that
flip
too.
them up around and then put them
This
in.
works
And slip
better
them.
though because you can actually slide it back and it'll stay in.
Hmm.
Then you can snug it with one bolt if you have to pinch it in. Yeah.